In order to stay competitive in today's job market, we are told to make custom tailored resumes for every job application we do. Now, of course, most of us come to rely on AI in order to generate this high output of job applications. The problem? AI, in its classic fashion, hallucinates a ton. I mean, you get made up skills and made up experience written all over a resume that you blindly apply, and then the job interview comes and you're asked questions over experience you just never had. This is where Align comes in. Align helps users not only generate resumes instantaneously and conveniently from the job application website through a Chrome extension, but also verifies which bullet points that were generated are close to the truth or stretched or just plain unsupported. This allows the user to actually know what is going into their job applications. Let's take a look at how it works. I'm going to open Chrome and I'm going to choose this junior full stack engineer job. I'm going to click apply. I'm going to be brought to the website for the job application. Opening Align, you'll see my resume is already loaded. Of course, you can edit this in the settings, but going back to the job application website, I'm going to generate a cover letter and I click generate tailored resume. Some questions that might arise is why use a Chrome extension? This is very simply, we don't want to break the user's workflow. The user doesn't want to go back to ChatGPT, then back to a doc, edit it, download. This simplifies the whole workflow of applying to jobs and does it so it expedites the process. Another question is, how are we different from other AI resume tools? Most tools optimize for ATS or keywords and formatting. We optimize for the truth. We assume AI will hallucinate, so we build a verification layer instead of ignoring the risks of generating AI resumes. The second pass is what turns Align from a generator into a trustworthy assistant, giving the user a truth score, as you will see in a second, and highlighted text evidence for what skills in your original resume map directly to the generated custom tailored resume. So we're just going to wait here, take a second to generate this. And as you see right here, we have a truth score of 32. This most likely means that my resume is not very aligned with the job description, so some claims can be unsupported, as we'll see right here, and we'll also give you a suggestion for how to fix this bullet point on the resume. We'll also highlight anything that might seem stretched, and as well as a suggested for how to change it. And at the bottom, we'll be able to download both PDFs. If I open the cover letter, I'll see the cover letter addressed to the company that I'm trying to work for, the Co-Intelligence Labs hiring team, and as well as the resume. Here we see a professional resume page, my professional experience, and then my technical skills. If you guys ever want to go back and check other previous generated resumes, we can go back here to this page generated history, and as well as you'll be able to see the flags that were raised for that specific generated resume and re-download it. Anyways, I hope this helps you guys apply to more jobs, and thank you guys for your time.